Hi, I'm Astrid. In this video, I want to show you a Jin Shin Jyutsu exercise to help the circulation in the legs. And of course, the circulation in the legs is extremely important, but there is a simple way that we can help that circulation. And it has to do with an energy site or a safety energy lock, as we call it in Jin Shin Jyutsu, here at the hip line. And more specifically, the safety energy lock that we find on the groin, which is safety energy lock 15. Now, safety energy lock 15 is very, very important to help the circulation in the legs and to clear this whole hip line area. So we're going to work with that safety energy lock and with others as well. I want to start by showing you the exercise for the left side, working on the left leg. So get nice and comfortable so that you can practice along with me in real time. I will guide you through the exercise. First, we place the left hand on the left groin at safety energy lock 15, and we place the right hand on the left arch of the foot. So right hand on the left foot at the arch. That is safety energy lock 6. So we hold safety energy lock 15 and 6, groin and arch. Relax the hands and hold. Release the right hand and place it now on the outside of the left knee, which is where we find safety energy lock number 8. Now release the left hand, and we place the left hand on the left hip, and this is safety anti-lock number 2. Just hold there for a couple of minutes. And the right hand, you can also place the right hand on the outside of the knee like this if it's more comfortable. So you can go under the knee if you like, okay? So we're holding the hip and the outside of the knee. Relax the hands and hold. Release both hands, and now we're going to work on the other side. So we're going to work on the right side, on the right leg. We're going to place the right hand on the right groin, and we're going to place the left hand on the right arch of the foot. Just relax the hands and hold. Release the left hand, and now we place it on the outside of the right knee, holding safety energy lock 15 at the groin and the outside of the knee at safety energy lock 8. Now release the right hand and place it on the right hip at Safety Energy Lock 2, holding Safety Energy Lock 2 and 8 on the outside of the knee. Relax the hands and hold. Release both hands now, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Welcome back. I hope you enjoy this exercise. It is really helpful, not only for the legs, but to help with everything and clear the whole body. Remember that you can practice these Jin Shin Jyutsu exercises in any position that is comfortable for you. I'm sitting in this position to show you how to do the exercise, but you can lie or you can sit or you can be in any position. So make sure that you are comfortable, because I only have one rule, and that is to be comfortable. I hope you enjoy this exercise. Make sure you look out for the next one. Bye for now.